IRL, I suppose you know why I wanted to meet you here.
No, I don't. I am very busy as a litigation associate at my law firm. I am very busy. I am also very conservative.
I know. It is all right. I am in a similar position. It turns out I am a biter. I bite.
You were going to bite me?
Lord no. I want to pick your brain.
That sounds unpleasant.
Don't be so literal. It is a figure of speech. I know about your history.
I did achieve world domination between 2005 and 2008.
How?
3 things. First, you need to have a good intern.
Check.
Second, you need a secret lair.
Check.
Third, you will need a nuclear weapon.